Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Pinterest pins for published YouTube videos. So suppose we are publishing new videos on our YouTube channel and now we want to create new Pinterest pins for those published videos. So here my objective is that whenever we are going to publish a new video on our YouTube channel, then automatically we are going to capture the detail of that video and we are going to use all those details to automatically create a new pin in our Pinterest account. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between YouTube and Pinterest. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use YouTube. In action application, I'm going to use Pinterest. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create new Pinterest pins for published YouTube videos. So suppose we are publishing new videos on our YouTube channel on regular basis, and for better engagement on our videos, we want to share that video on Pinterest by creating a new pin, and we want all this to happen automatically. So here my objective is that whenever we are going to publish a new video on our YouTube channel, then automatically by using all the detail of that video, we are going to create a new pin in our Pinterest account. And all this is going to happen automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this automation and connection between YouTube and Pinterest, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, we need to first search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and it will take us to this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we need to create a new workflow. For that, we need to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Pinterest pins for published YouTube videos. And now I need to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be YouTube. So I'm going to select YouTube here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new video in channel with video URL is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with YouTube. So I'm going to click here. And now I need to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And my connection here is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my channel ID. And I only have one channel ID in my YouTube account, so that is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to take you to my YouTube account first. Now I will go to content, and here on my YouTube channel I have recently published this new video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, and here this is my video. This is the title, that is breathtaking sunset, a stunning display of nature's beauty, and this is the description of my video. So here this is the new video that I have recently published on my account. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button to get the data of the latest published video. So I'm going to click here. And here I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my latest video that has been published on my YouTube account. And here this is my response. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response. And within the 10 minutes, you are going to get this response. So here, whenever you are going to publish new videos on your YouTube channel, then automatically YouTube is going to retrieve the data of the new videos and it is going to send that data within 10 minutes to Pabbly Connect. So here we are going to receive new responses of all our published YouTube videos, and here I have received the response. So in this response I have my video URL. Also I have the URL of my thumbnail, And here I have my channel name, that is demo channel. And I have my title, that is breathtaking sunset, a stunning display of nature's beauty. And I have the description. So this was the description of my video. So here I have received all these details of my published video. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details and I want to create a new pin in my Pinterest account. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my actions tab. And here my action application is going to be Pinterest. So I'm going to select Pinterest here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and create pin will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I need to connect Pinterest with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Pinterest. Now here I need to click on give access. So I'm going to click here and my connection here is successful. Now for creating a new pin, I need to first select my board. So for selecting the board, I have to first take you to my Pinterest account. So I'm going to use this YouTube videos board to create new pins for my published YouTube videos. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and for selecting my board, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the boards that I have in my Pinterest account. So I'm going to use this board of YouTube videos. Now I need to give the image URL. So here in this tab of image URL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my thumbnail URL that has been published for my YouTube videos. And I have received my thumbnail URL from my response of YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map my image URL here with the detail of my thumbnail URL from my YouTube video. And for that, I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of YouTube. And here this is my thumbnail high URL. So I'm going to map this. And this is my image URL. Now what I need to do is I need to give the title. So in the title, I'm also going to give the title of my YouTube video. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of YouTube. And here this is my title. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the description. So I'm going to open this tab of YouTube. And here this is my description. So I'm going to map this. And also in the description, what I want to do is I want to give my video URL that I have published on my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. I'm going to enter a new line. And again, I'm going to open this response of YouTube and I'm going to map my video URL. Now I have mapped my video URL in my description. Now by mapping my video URL in the description, I'm going to increase my engagement for my YouTube videos, and anyone want to access my YouTube video, then they can access my YouTube videos from the description. So here I have mapped all these required details. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of a published video from YouTube, then automatically I'm going to receive the new response of my published video, and all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new details in the real time. So I have filled all the required details and I have mapped these details. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received the response. So this is a positive response. So this means that I have created a new pin in my Pinterest account for my published YouTube video. Now to check this, let me take you to Pinterest. I'm going to refresh this. And here on this board of YouTube videos, I have created a new pin. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my pin. So I'm going to open this. So here we can see that I have created this new pin with my published video thumbnail. And here this is the title of my video, and also this is the title of my pin. So the title is Breathtaking Sunset, a stunning display of nature's beauty. And this is my description. So this is my description of my video, and also in the description I have the link of my YouTube video that I have published on my YouTube channel, and also the video for which I have created this pin in my Pinterest account. So I have successfully created this pin in my Pinterest account for my published video. And here I have created this pin on my Pinterest account with all the detail of my new published video on my YouTube channel. And automatically by using all those details of my published video, I have created this new pin in Pinterest. So here my connection between YouTube and Pinterest is working successfully. And now whenever a new video will be published on my YouTube channel, then automatically by using that video details, I'm going to create a new pin in my Pinterest account. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And I have successfully created this automation and connection between YouTube and Pinterest for creating new Pinterest pins for published YouTube videos. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was YouTube, and my trigger event was new video in channel with video URL. Then I've set up my actions tab, and my action application was Pinterest, and my action event was create pin. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.